i35equipment.com. This is the Wacker-Neuson DW60. In my opinion, this is the nicest one we've ever seen. It is a one-owner machine that was custom ordered from the factory with all the options and some great upgrades. They had the bed upgraded from the factory for a larger capacity. They also went ahead and upgraded the tires from the factory to a larger size. This machine, it runs, operates, and looks excellent. It was owner operated. It's always been well cared for and stored indoors. Full cab, cold AC. It does have the heat resistant ceramic tint on all the windows. Rear view camera. It's double articulating, so it articulates in the center, and then that bed comes up and rotates both directions. It does have the Perkins diesel in it. 4-wheel drive. Excellent tire tread. Super easy to operate. All working lights. Horn has the wheel chocks on it. Do welcome you to come operate it for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. You will not be disappointed in this machine. If you'd like a delivery quote, getting this machine hauled to you should not be an issue at all. It is a legal load. You fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back with you the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come to pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. It does have the nice big headache rack on there to help protect your cab from any spillage or accidents when you're loading. Also has the original operator's manual underneath the seat. The tire size is 400/55 R22.5. Like I said, the tread's excellent, but when it gets done, we're going to check everything out. Wacker sure knew what were doing when they built this machine. It's really got some pep. That's a quick machine. See, the reverse lights came right on. Also has working turn signals in case you need to take it out on the road. Be a great machine for the job site, or if you just need it out on the ranch for moving stuff around. Looks like he's parking it. We'll get up here and take a look around. I think he's just showing off the bed now. A really nice feature about these you don't hear about much is that since your bed is in front of you, you're not getting a crick in your neck by looking backwards or guessworking through mirrors the whole day. You can see what you're doing and it's right in front of you. Tires are fantastic. To access the motor, you have to use the key, so when we get done, we'll come open that up. Big glass the whole way around. There's your wheel chocks. No leaks, no issues, no coves, no lights. working AC. And something kind of cool is this little vent right here will attach to the door so that air blows out in front of you when you have the door shut. I'll show you. That'll mesh up right there. Then you get a little air coming around from the front. It's your HVAC controls, windshield wiper, rear view camera, turn signals, horn, lights. Here's your user interface. You can see it's only sitting at 920 hours, super low hours. The only lights you're going to see on are the headlights are on and the parking brake is turned off. Your work lights, we're going to turn these headlights off too, don't forget about them. This is for your DPF system. Right here, you've got your controller. This joystick operates the dump bed, while this little thumb lever is what operates your forward, neutral, reverse. Parking brake is going to lock and unlock the joystick control. You don't accidentally bump that. We're just going to show you real quick. This is your rapid mode, eco mode. But to operate the dump bed, you're going to push it forward, and it's going to dump forward. That has a little spring lock here. So when you do get it back, right there in that notch, it's going to lock into there. So to actually full rotate, you have to have it up and off of that lock a little bit. We're just going to do a full dump on it so we can show you how it spins. And then to spin it, you're just going to pull this left or right. As you can see from here, great view of what you're doing outside the cab. Just going to rotate this right to go to the right with it. And it's fast operating, so I mean, it's designed to handle a lot of weight. So if it's unladen and doesn't have any weight in it, and you do it big hand movements, it's going to really want to go quickly. Just pulling the handle back to bring it back down. And if you don't get that latch just right in the middle, that's fine. It'll hit on one of those sides there and bump itself in. But you can see we got it right on there. Sorry, it's too hard to tell from here. Oh, sorry, I was at the camera on the wrong spot, but you can see right there. So you're latched in right now, so it's not going to be able to go left or right very far until you lift it up in there. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, give us a shout. You know what? Before we go any further, let's go and get this key out of here. We'll go check out that engine. Like I said, you have to have a key to access the motor. Set that here. To shut the doors, you can whack that, it goes in, or you can step back here and pull this little handle down. Okay, so here's one side of your Perkins engine. Battery switch. You see they marked on here the primary and inner air filters were changed out at 9/14 or 5/28/25, so recent change out. You see those brand new lifetime green O'Reilly's belts on there. Previous to that, there's your last air filter change. Like I said, it's owner operated, owner cared for. Gentleman took excellent and meticulous care of all his equipment. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Happy to visit with you about it. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Like I said, though, we're open by appointment only. Just give us a call. We want to make sure we're here and have the gate open for you. Appreciate you taking time to watch and hope you have a wonderful day. You can see the full specs in our up-to-date inventory online, i35equipment.com.